And today I have this really messed up squishy that I bought, and it came in the packaging along with last year, when I was in 3rd grade. I bought some squishies, and it's really messed up. I will, hold on. And it's really messed up, and it's not even squishy, like not that squishy. But it matches with my nose. Anyway, as you can see, it's supposed to be a really beautiful one, and I paid $40 for it, and it came in the packaging like this. I'm just kidding, guys. And well, then it got like little fingerprints, like yeah. And in the back it's red, and right here it's defects, and right there is a little hole. But if we try to squish it, like it's not even squishy, like not that squishy, not like that squishy, you know? But I'm getting new ones, so you know. But tomorrow, oh no, I'll have to see if it's tomorrow when my package comes. Yeah, maybe like 2 more days my package comes, but I'll let y'all know. Okay. Oh, so yesterday, I really did hope you liked that video, because I thought all them clips were really cute. But anyway, we're not supposed to be talking about that. We're supposed to be talking about this ugly thing. Yeah, poor thing. Just got tortured. See, the thing is, when you order stuff, like, you pay a lot of money, and like they don't give you what you really need. Like, I'm like, you pay so much money, and you get back a piece of this. Like, who wants this? I know kids out there that don't have anything want things like this, but they don't want a messed up one like this. I mean, if they wanted one, then yeah. But a messed up squishy like this. This is a really messed up squishy video. Really messed up. But I need to talk about y'all. I need to talk about things. Whoever makes these squishies suck. Now, well, Silly Squishy are pretty good. Duh. But, you know, there's other things people want, and they don't want a messed up piece of crap like this. They don't want a little scratch. They want like permanent marker, little fingerprints, a little hole. Where is it? A little hole that you can literally put your own finger in it, and little messed up things on the back. My panda bun. It's a medium one, and I ordered a jumbo one. But that's okay, because I'm getting 2 more jumbo ones. And they're both girls. But I ordered 34 squishies in all. So yeah. My packaging of my reborn is coming probably tomorrow. Who knows? But anyway, hope you liked the video. Like and subscribe. Bye, YouTuber.